In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Xero support in the UK. This is an essential skill to have up your sleeve, especially if you find yourself needing assistance with your Xero accounting software. Having access to reliable support can make a significant difference, and today, we'll walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, you're going to type Xero UK support. Now, this search is crucial because it directs you specifically to support options available in the United Kingdom, ensuring you receive the appropriate regional assistance. So once you've typed Xero UK support in the search bar, go ahead and hit enter or click the search button. You'll see a list of search results popping up with various links related to Xero and its services. What you want to do is look for the official Xero website link that pertains to their UK support page. It should say something like Xero UK support or Contact Xero Support UK. Clicking on the official Xero link is essential to ensure you're getting the most accurate and secure information directly from their resources. Once you're on the Xero UK support page, you'll have access to various support options and resources. Xero's website is quite user-friendly and provides a lot of helpful information, including FAQs, product updates, and other support resources. For those who prefer self-help, browsing through their comprehensive guides and help articles might even solve your issue without needing further assistance. But let's say you've gone through the resources available on the page and still need more personalized help. This is where you'll find options to contact Xero support directly. Depending on what Xero offers, you might have several different ways to get in touch, such as online chat, email, or a callback service. They might even provide a form to fill out with details of your issue so that their support team can get back to you with a solution. Now, it's important to be prepared before reaching out. Ensure you have your account information handy, as well as any specific details about the issue you're experiencing. The more precise you are, the faster they can assist you. Describe the problem as clearly as possible, and if there are any error messages, make a note of those, too. Lastly, don't forget to check the hours of availability for their support services to make sure you're contacting them during working hours, which are typically aligned with UK business hours. And there you have it, a straightforward way to contact Xero support in the UK should you ever need it. Keeping this process in mind can save you time and help get you back on track with your accounting tasks smoothly. Thank you for watching this guide, and I hope you found it helpful. Until next time.